So now we have Ruchika. Now time is almost 8:30. No more Q&A. Only a resolution. Many parents are waiting. Okay. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Ruchika.
I don't have enough words to thank you. I can't express in words how you've changed my life. I have read so many books on parenting. I have a long list of books which I've read on parenting. I'm a doctor myself, and I was actually struggling to how to handle my son. He's very active. He's a very good boy. He's a very not well-behaved but active boy. So I was following some of the techniques, but not properly. You actually taught me where I was wrong and what I actually need to do. So I'm really thankful to you, and my resolution is to keep watching your webinars, keep attending your webinars, and spread the word, because you have actually changed my life. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks.
In fact, ma'am, I wanted to ask you, I have a cousin whose daughter is speech delayed.
Okay.
She's 2.5. So will your program benefit her?
Yes, definitely, ma'am. We definitely see in that 3 hours webinar also I talk about Anusha, the parent Anusha, no, where she was having a speech delay children, and especially during pandemic, the speech delay has become more among all the young children. So definitely it will help.
And ma'am, can people from USA attend your webinar? And how the timings are not matching?
Timings are not matching, but we have seen from UK and USA people. Thank you, Ruchika, for saying that. That was really amazing that you wanted to help so many parents where they have to find out where they are going wrong. You know, many people, we try to fix the child or fix the situation when we are filing to fix ourselves. So
ma'am, I need to fix myself. My son wasn't wrong, I was wrong.
People have done, but we are doing in the afternoon. For them it will be midnight, no?
Yes, ma'am.
In midnight.
Because my brother wanted to attend, but timings are not matching.
So maybe he can register and take the recordings. That would be better.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.